After 1.5 hours, this is how it would look like. It has already doubled its size. Okay, so here. Right now, so what we do now is we lightly punch it to expel the excess air. Very lightly. And then let it rest for a few minutes. About 5 minutes. And while waiting, we just have to sprinkle again a little flour into the surface. And this time we will be needing the rolling pin. Okay? Okay, so we'll transfer the piece dough in here. We'll cut this into two since we will be preparing pandesal and Spanish bread. So that would mean that in one single dough recipe, you could produce 2 big items. So we'll set this aside, the other half, then cover this to prevent drying out. This will be for the Spanish bread. Okay, now if you do have a weighing scale, then we could weigh it at about 50 grams each. But since not all of us, I do have a weighing scale, but not all of you do have a weighing scale. So we just have to estimate this. Now, you could do this many ways in how you shape it. You could shape it and then you just get a portion of this and then have it round, or you could have it form into, I think it will be easier for you if you have to just form this into a log. I think for the beginners, this is easier. And then just have to be ready with the breadcrumbs. Okay. Now, just show you one way of having this shape. So, the traditional. Just have to dredge this in breadcrumbs and then put it on this, then cut side up. This is what I mean by cut side up. Ito yun. Or you could have it that shape it into a bowl. If you could see it. And then again, dredge in breadcrumbs. And then put it here. And again, you gather everything together and then tuck it under. Okay, until you were able to produce a round shape, such as that. Right? For uniformity, I suggest that if you do have a weighing scale, you weigh at least 50 grams each. I'm just doing this simply because I know that not all of you do have a weighing scale. We just have to do this like this. Seal the edges at the bottom. Then again, shape it into a round. Now for the Spanish bread. Now this is now the filling. So we'll do another way of cutting the dough. So cut that in the middle. And then into four. Now how many do we need? So four. Let us make it into eight. So 8 Spanish breads. And then you get one portion of this. And then roll it, you just have to roll this out. And put the filling in the middle. You could see. And then seal the edges. So I'll seal the edges. Okay, do another one. Now the Spanish bread would be dredged into the breadcrumbs. The same with the pandesal. Okay, so this is it. Just have to again cover this with a cling wrap if you have a cling wrap. Or a clean towel. And this would be cooked for 30 minutes. Then I'll put this back in the kitchen. Okay? It would look like after proofing. It has double its size already. Now, this would be baked at 375 degrees oven for 18 to 20 minutes. And Spanish bread. Okay.
Nagpasalamat ang DepEd sa lahat ng mga tumulong at tumulong para sa pilot HPC natin.